Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off comments after uploading a video on TikTok. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for TikTok. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once that's done, open the app and go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the three white lines in the top right corner and select Activity Center. Here you'll see Manage Comments. Just tap on it and select the video for which you want to turn off comments. After that, simply turn off comments. Now, whenever someone watches your video, they won't be able to comment, which gives you more control over your content. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you soon in another video.